Guys, we're here looking at the biggest combine harvester in the world. So this is New Holland's CR11 combine with a whopping 20,000 litre capacity and 775 horsepower. And this has just recently arrived in the country. Just look at the sheer size of the machine. Absolutely mind-blowing. I reckon we should jump in the cab for a look. This is the control room of the CR11. It's a joystick, plenty of buttons, dials, knobs. Really advanced stuff in here. The seats are looking pretty luxurious, I would say. At the end of the day, it is your office, so you do want to feel comfortable in it.